Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the liked posts on Instagram. So to do this is relatively simple. It's actually the same way you find liked reels on Instagram or pretty much anything liked. You just open up your Instagram, and once you have done that you can head over to your profile on the bottom right and go to the top, click on that menu, and right below settings and archives you click on your activity. Then you scroll down in the interaction menu and you have to select this one, interactions. Here select on likes, and here you can see all the likes. You can sort and filter them from here to sort by oldest to newest, and if you want other variables as well, you can do that as well. And there you go. That's all the liked photos or overall liked posts on Instagram. Hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.